These are our boxes of cork bark. The boxes are 12 inches by 10 inches and 10 inches in diameter, and the boxes are sold by volume. They're not by weight, although the bark tends to weigh 3.5 to 4 pounds, but that can depend on the time of year, humidity, and moisture content within the pieces. I will empty this one box just to give you an example of what you would get. So you get a variety of bark ranging from thick, partially tubed to flatter pieces. Maximum length is going to be the size of the box, so 10 to 12 inches, a few inches in width. And you will get some smaller chunks because we try to fill the box as best as possible, and one fully tubed piece in various sizes. So that's one box. I'll empty this one as well, just so you can see the difference. And as you can see, there's some more slightly rounded here, as well as that fully tubed piece.